Are you thinking of investing but worried about losing money? Most new investors make the same mistakes that cost them big. In this video, I'll share the top 5 mistakes new investors make, so you can avoid them and grow your wealth safely. Hi, welcome to Wealth with Sud. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for simple money and investing tips that actually work. Mistake #1. Chasing quick profits. Many beginners treat the stock market like a lottery ticket. They jump into hot stocks expecting overnight returns. Instead, focus on long-term growth and steady compounding. Mistake #2. Not having a plan. They invest randomly without knowing their goals. Always ask yourself, am I investing for retirement, buying a house, or wealth creation? Your strategy depends on your goal. Mistake #3. Ignoring diversification. Putting all your money in one stock or sector is risky. Diversify across different assets, stocks, mutual funds, maybe even bonds to protect your money. Mistake #4. Following tips blindly. Friends, social media, or so-called experts often give hot tips. But without research, you may end up losing. Always do your own due diligence before investing. Mistake #5. Letting emotions control decisions. Fear and greed drive most investment losses. When markets fall, beginners panic and sell. When markets rise, they rush to buy. The key is to stay disciplined and stick to your plan. So those were the top 5 mistakes new investors make. Avoiding these will put you ahead of most beginners and set you on the path to financial success. Which mistake do you think most people make? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more investing tips with Wealth with Sud.